Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing something different. We are making, well I am not making.
This is American Style Pancakes.
So do you want to go through a step by step?
Yeah, so basically I got the recipe on Google, obviously.
Okay.
And I'm not really doing the measurements. I mean, I'm not doing the flour measurements.
Yeah, we're literally just kind of winging it.
Yeah, so obviously, should I get the actual flour? And we've got 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and that needs to be melted. We've got an egg, and we've got milk over there.
Okay.
And baking powder.
Okay, so she's just sieved the flour into a bowl. So that's the first step. Okay, and then the next step is you need to melt the butter. So you can melt it in the microwave?
Yeah.
Okay.
For like 10, it depends on your microwave, but 10-20 seconds.
Okay.
So guys, it actually took 40 seconds, yeah, in the microwave.
Okay, 40 seconds to melt the butter.
Yeah, just let that cool down, and in this mix, sorry, but Oreo, can you put 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 teaspoon, put a little bit of baking powder, and then just mix that, give it a little mix. And we're just gonna wait until this cools down a bit more to add the egg and the milk and then beat that up. Guys, I'm just cracking the egg into the bowl.
So what would be a substitute for vegans?
Whoa. I don't know, where's Bebe?
We will get back to it. No.
We're just gonna mix. This is the wet mixture that we need to put into the. And I'm just gonna put. Should I just put the whole cup? Oops. Okay. This doesn't need to be mixed like proper because we're just gonna mix it in anyways. And then we have to move to this side. Sorry. I'm just gonna make a little, because on the recipe it says make a little well. Like make a little. The recording.
So you have to make a little well in the middle.
Yeah. And pour this.
So you have to pour the mixture inside the well.
Ooh. I'm gonna put a little bit at a time. Okay. I can't mix this in this bowl. Guys, this was a bad choice of bowl. Gonna put a little bit more. I'm gonna slowly mix it.
Okay guys, so the texture should look nice and creamy, and then you should just leave it to set. So whisk away. Okay, so we're gonna start making the pancakes now. It's best if you use a flat pan.
Yes, as our pan's been through a lot. Oops. Put it on low because you don't want to burn it. La la la. Because we're
Time for the mixture.
enjoy.
Good. Okay, so when you're making the pancake, you should see bubbles forming. So what does that mean?
It means that it's kind of ready to flip.
Okay, so it's kind of ready to flip.
Just start like doing this so the edges don't stick. False alarm, false alarm.
Sorry. Okay, so we're ready to flip. Ooh, oh wow, that looks really nice. Okay guys, it's my turn now. Don't know how this is gonna turn out.
Wow, perfect circle. She's an artiste.
Yeah, you have to write the references. So guys, the pancakes. Woo! Here is the finished product, and here are the lovely pancakes. So my sister's done, I think she's done one with blueberries. Looks so nice. Oh my god. Wow.
You should really eat it.